Hello everyone. Now I am going to show you how the ultrasonic sensor is going to work. So right now this is an ultrasonic sensor which has two music like um, big drum like shape. One of them this ultrasonic sensor sends out an ultrasonic sound wave on an object, and that ultrasonic sound wave reflects back to us. So basically this thing keeps playing it keeps sending sound waves, and we cannot hear the sound wave because due to our human ears. And right now if right now this ultrasonic sensor requires four connections, which is VCC, or the V5, or the it's connected to 5V, and the GND, which is connected to ground, and the trig which is connected to the trig which is connected to a pin trig, and the other pin which is echo, which is connected to pin number, which is connected to a particular pin. So right now, whenever some object comes in front of this sensor, the LED keeps going on and off. So you saw till now that the LED kept glowing on and off because my hand was on top of the ultrasonic sensor. So this happens because the sound wave gets reflected and enters back to the ultrasonic sensor. So this output comes back to the Arduino board, and it gets printed on the serial monitor. And in the code I'll show you how this ultrasonic sensor works. So now this is the code for the ultrasonic sensor, and right now I've declared the constant values which will never change. um, so this is the trig uh, trig pin number, which is connected to digital pin 10, and this is the echo pin, which is connected to pin number 9, and this is the LED pin, which is connected to pin number 12. So I've declared two values, distance and duration, which are not yet assigned the values yet. um, and right now I have declared the setup values. First I've declared the baud value, which is the number of bits per second which receives between the Arduino board uh, and the computer, and the pin modes, which are LED pin output, and the trig, which is also output. The only pin which is input is the echo pin, which receives the input, and the trig pin sends out the sound waves, and the echo pin gets the input of the reflected sound wave. So in the loop I have written to keep the trig pin low, and I kept a delay time of 2 milliseconds, 2 microseconds I mean. So because the time microsecond is even more smaller than a millisecond, and this I have kept it low so that it will first it will not send the sound wave, and then it will keep sending this sound wave, and again delay for 10 microseconds, and again it'll go back here to low. And duration is the duration I'm going to assign the value as pulse-in, which is the input from the echo pin, which is high. And right, this is the distance, which is now being written which is a formula based value. So it includes the duration multiplied by the multiplied by the speed of sound in air, which is 343 meters per second, which in micro per second, micrometer per second is 0.0343, and it is divided by 2. So as you know, distance is equal to speed into time. So duration is the time, and the speed is this 0.0343 divided by 2. So in the serial monitor, the value gets printed, which is distance, and beside the distance term, the value of distance is printed along with the unit. I have added a conditional block, which is the main part of this project. If the distance is less than 20, the LED goes high, or else the digital pin of the LED will go low. And because as we move away from the ultrasonic sensor, the LED bulb stops glowing. And finally, a 0.5 second delay. So now if I upload the code, the code gets uploaded. And to see the serial monitor, you can either click on this magnifying glass or go to the shortcut key Control plus Shift plus M, and now you can see the values being printed, which keeps on increasing. So this is how uh, the ultrasonic sensor works. So you can keep on making different projects like that using the ultrasonic sensor, like starting a DC motor, many more. Thank you.